ज्वाइन करो स्टूडेंट,
हेलो।
ज्वाइन करो। So today I will take the lecture of power electronics. Okay, and yes, in this lecture I will guide you about the various advantages and disadvantages of power electronics, then various important concepts regarding power electronics. Okay, so all these things we will study in this particular, you can say that subject. Okay, so it is very important. And what is power electronics? Power electronics is used to change the characteristics of electrical power to suit a particular application. It interdisciplinary technology. So it means power electronics used to change the characteristics of electrical power to a suitable application. Means whenever uh, it means whenever we want to change the parameters, and we want to have the application of power electronics, then whenever we require change in the level of magnitude of voltage and current for a suitable application, then power electronics is used. Okay, and now see various advantages and disadvantages of power electronics, and so many things related to the power electronics. So here application of power electronics is it is used in transportation, used in electric locomotive, used in buses, construction of vehicles, line transformers, generating application, PAC HVDC, solid state transformer, circuit breaker, used in motor drives, factory automation, process control, and consumer products, air condition application, and medical equipment. So the main advantage of power electronics is that it is used in so many electrical applications in the field of, you can say that medical technology, and it is used in generators and transformers. So power electronics is always having benefit to, you can say that to the mankind in medical and vehicle automation. So in case of power electronics is used in, you can say that controllers, and you know the function of controller. It is used to control certain application. Okay, and various important, you can say that applications are also considered to know about the introduction part. Okay, so you can say that everywhere the use of power electronics is very much important. Now see fuel cell powertrain hybrid design. Here battery of 42 volts DC used, 200 volts DC also used, 200 volt DC inherently decrease with higher current. and AC voltage with the control voltage and frequencies used. So now history of power electronics. Power diodes, bipolar transistor, thyristors, MOSFETs, insulate gate power transistor. So the history of power devices is that the devices, or you can say that the first manufactured from the power diodes. So if you know the history of power diodes, then you can easily you can say that get the knowledge of you can say that there's the power electronics. So if you have to study the power electronics, you have to get the knowledge of you can say that resistors, capacitors, inductors, capacitance, all these things when joined together, it will form a network. Okay, so if you study all these, you can say that information regarding the power electronics, you will automatically come to know about all the history of power electronics. So you see advantage in case of power electronics is used in so many applications like in the medical application, in the you can say the electricity, and in so many applications we use the power electronics. And it is also used in industrial application. Power electronics is used in industrial application, and if you know the industrial application, then automatically we will be able to highlight the parameters of industrial application. Okay, and it is very much important to study various advantages at the same time. Now, you see, you have studied power semiconductors, power conversions, all these you study, and then afterwards, list of the typical power devices. Two terminal devices, we have pin diode that is always used for voltage greater than 300 volts. So it is very much important. So three terminal devices, and it is also used in BGT, then thyristors. Now, ideal characteristics of power devices: block arbitrary large forward and reverse voltage. It conducts arbitrary large current with zero voltage and switch from off to on instantly, switch locking. So, whenever you study this application, then you come to know various modifications. It is always used in the manufacture and is also used in so many industrial applications, and that is always having so many important parameters. So definitely, if you know about the industrial electronics, then power electronics is very much easy to understand. So you study power electronics and characteristics of ideal voltage and other industrial application. So simultaneously, when you study this power electronics, then you will come to know about its transit time. Now, advantage of power electronics. It is used to study in-depth knowledge of you can say that the machine, and it will also give you benefits. It will also give you the characteristics of ideal voltage. And in case of you can see the resistors, in case of capacitors, and in case of inductors, if you will, you can see that if you know about the history of power electronics, then easily you will be able to understand its basic criteria and information regarding the use in industrial application. Okay, so you have to study all these parameters regarding the application part, and you have seen a car, then we have the use of battery,